All right, so we're out here at the farm about to start our first rifle, Israeli combat rifle course, level 1. And we're just unloading the car right now as we speak, getting ready to start this course. It's now about 9 o'clock and we'll be here till about 2:30 or so before we head back. So. There's that first number 1. That's good. So we just got done with 5 hours of Israeli combat rifle training, level 1. We had a good group of guys, went through a bunch of drills, started around 9:30 and we got done around 2:30 with a 45-minute break for lunch. But I think the guys got a lot of benefit out of today's course, operating their different rifles. We had mostly AR-15s and we had one guy using a Tavor. So we had a lot of fun with that and ran the courses, and it was a great day. It was today's what's today, November 21st 21st November. It was 72 degrees out, fantastic weather, couldn't ask for a better day, clear blue skies, just absolutely fantastic. So enjoyed it, look forward to the next one.